Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. Once the settings open, scroll through the menu and find the option called alarm clock. After you find it, tap on it. And here we can, as you can see, add new alarm clock by tapping on new alarm. Right here we can select how often the alarm should repeat or on which days. And we have once. If you select this option, it will go off once and it won't repeat. If you select weekdays, it will repeat on every day, not every day, but on weekdays. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. It will skip the weekends. But if you select the daily option, it will repeat on every day. So select the option you like, then set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hour, then minutes, like this, and then you can swipe left and the alarm should be set. Here we have it. You can also have multiple alarms if you like to. Let's say this is gonna go once, left, like this, and now we have multiple alarms. As you can see, you can tap on the alarms to edit them, and you can turn them on or off. You can change the time, you can change the repeat option, and you can also remove the alarm. So if you tap on delete, the alarm will be gone. And after you're done setting up your alarms, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.